Yeah, guys, welcome to the tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Charter account on your PC online. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Charter account online on your computer, first open up a preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address charter.net like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of the charter or the spectrum.net. You can see, guys, the web address changed to spectrum.net because it has been upgraded to spectrum.net from the charter.net, and but both of them are the same website or the same platform. And you can see over here there is the sign in button available for us over here at the middle of the screen, at the top right corner of the screen. But if you have not yet created an account on Charter, you can simply click on create a username to go through a procedure to sign up for the Spectrum or the Charter account. With that being said, let's click on sign in. And over here, this is the login page of the Spectrum or the charter.net. Now in order to log into your account, you'll be required to enter your username over here with which you had created your account on the charter.net like this, and enter your password over here. And first you'll be required to confirm you're not a robot from over here in order to verify. And after you have clicked on that box, either you'll be required to verify some pictures, some captcha in order to confirm you're not a robot. And after you have entered your username and your password, simply click on sign in. But before that, if you have forgotten your username or your password, you can see when you scroll down to the bottom of this page, there is the forgot username or password button available for us over here. Click on forgot or username or password to go through procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. With that being said, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be signed into your Charter account or your Spectrum account online on your PC. And then, guys, this is how you log into your Charter account on your PC, on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.